How's it going, guys? Matt from Spark, and I'm back with another Javelin build. All right, before we get into the build, let's talk about the standard features of the bike. The Javelin uses a 4,000 watt motor in the rear and has dual motorcycle brakes in the front and in the back. It comes with all the lighting you need, your turn signals, your headlight, your brake light, your rear light, and it comes with a VIN, so if you want to register this thing, you can. The seat opens up and gives you access to this massive 72 volt, 40 amp hour battery that has a stainless steel enclosure. Up front, you have a beautiful screen that has Apple CarPlay capability and Android Auto. So if you want, you can have your maps featured up on this screen instead of your speed or your music or a bunch of other things. You do also have full controls here. So you got your turn signals, your horn, a twist throttle, and this action button. This action button is either cruise control in one mode, or if you flip to the other mode down below here, that will become a reverse. Speaking of these switches, this middle one changes the speed mode. So if I flick that switch, you can see the right side of that screen is going from 2 to 3. Those are your two different speed modes. Speed 2 is about 30 miles an hour. That's your moped setting. And then speed 3 is your off-road or personal road usage. This green one right here is all of the 12 volt systems. So when you turn that on, you have your whole front light, your rear light, and your turn signals. The bike also has a bash guard here on the front that is protecting a far driver controller. All right, so now let's talk about some of the customization that we did on this bike. So there's only a few different things on this one that make it kind of unique. And those really boil down to this carbon fiber side panel, which is kind of cool. It's not real carbon fiber, actually. That is just a vinyl wrap that we can put on. And the customer had us put on this tracker style headlight up front. It's just like an LED bar, and it does not have a high and low. It just has on off, but that is a really powerful light at night. It's pretty cool. And then this is a custom seat from Tapia Seats. We love these guys. This is the tracker option, and it gives it a little bit more height in some areas. We combine that with a little bit of a taller shock for this rider to make it more comfortable for them. But that's about it for this one. We got a seat, a headlight, and a different side panel. But this is the first one I think I've seen that was all black, you know, the side panels included. So kind of cool to see this all come together. But let's take it for a ride. All right, so as always, I'm going to bump it up to the 3rd speed mode for you guys. Switching it up.